How to translate text. Welcome to this video tutorial, where I'll guide you through the process of translating text using the Speak and Translate mobile app. Begin by tapping on the Get Started button to access the app. On the dashboard screen, click the Translate button. This will take you to the translation screen. On the translation screen, you can choose two languages, one for input and one for output. For this example, I'll select French as the input language and Arabic as the output language. Type your text in the input box in the selected input language. Once done, tap the Submit button. You'll now see the translated text displayed in your desired output language, and that's it. You've successfully translated text using the Speak and Translate app.